The grand flavors of Langhe meet the traditional Italian pastry artisan. This is Bilanghe, an exclusive line of sweets inspired from ingredients and from typical pastry recipes of Langhe. We are in Alba, the best in the heart of Piedmont. From these vineyards, prestigious wines such as Barolo, Barbaresco, Moscato d'Asti. From these hills, the most prestigious truffles are found and hazelnuts are ground in which the nuts are used in our recipes. It is a history of taste which began in 1977 in Alba, in a small pastry shop which soon conquered the most refined estimators of sweets in Italy and in the world. Principally, the hazelnuts alone and rigorously Piedmont Hazelnuts IGP are recognized by experts as the best in the world. It is the cocoa that has accredited the great Piedmont chocolate tradition. High-quality ingredients, superb original and creative recipes, and from an artisan workmanship of high-quality pastry. Bilanghe wants to give the maximum guarantee to the sweet-tooth passionate, and guaranteeing the control excellence of every working phase that he has obtained the ISO certification 9001-2008 and extra seal of perfection on every product. Sweet truffles. Pure chocolates encounters Piedmont's IGP hazelnuts grinded with care. A soft, delicate mixture with a shape which reminds us of the precious truffles from the woods of Langhe. A real sense of delight, deliciously inviting. Cunesi. A Piedmont chocolates are tradition, a soft cream covered by a thin and crunchy layer of fine dark chocolates. The delicate contrast of the delicacy of chocolate and the intense taste of the cream creates a memorable taste. Mini Tarocco. The Piedmont IGP grinded hazelnuts and very fine cocoa are hand-mixed. The mixture then is leveled with a rolling pin and cut with a special pastry tool known as tarocco, and the same name is given to this exclusive Bilanghe specialty. Cakes. A great Langhe classic. Piedmont IGP hazelnut cake. The delicacy, elegancy and the persistent taste of the hazelnuts gathered from the Langhe hills render this cake perfect, accompanied with a glass of Moscato d'Asti. Amaretti. A small masterpiece of pleasure for the great admirers of taste. Soft, slightly sour with a bread-colored puffed-up shape. A sweet break of Tessin almond, apricot and coffee flavors. Biscuits. Traditional Piedmont biscuits created with the most richest and the most natural ingredients and with a slow and wise artisan working process. Genuine and very tasty for breakfast, accompanied with tea or for a very sweet break. Panettoni. The soft and tasty Piedmont's panettoni are prepared with a slow workmanship and natural rising process, rich with raisin and candied fruits. The final touch, a crunchy frosting covered with Piedmont hazelnuts. Bilanghe, from delicious and over.